Bill Weldon. Got a 1956 210 Handyman Wagon. It's got drop suspension on it. 18-inch wheels on the rear, 16 on the front. The car's a little different than most 56s. It's had a lot of the chrome removed. Chrome on the side of the car has been removed and altered. Chrome on the doors is from a 55. It's got 58 steering wheel in it. It's got a smooth California front bumper on it. It didn't look this way when I purchased the car a little over 4 years ago. Got a lot of wet sanding and buffing in the car. I'm retired 45 years of doing paint and body work. And it's a single stage car, no clear coat.
And how long has it been painted?
The car, believe it or not, has been painted over 20 years.
Wow.
The car originally was built in Michigan. I met the owner's son at the Street Rod Nationals in Tampa. He recognized the car and came up and told me his father built this car, and the gentleman right now is close to 80 years old. This is a 210. They had a 150, but the 210 was more of the deluxe model, where the chrome did go all the way up to the end of the fenders, where this has been removed. And the chrome around the roof band, around the drip rails, has also been removed. It has a smooth firewall. The wipers have been deleted, so it doesn't have any wipers. It's had a custom cowl vent put in it. The dash has all been smoothed out with block off plate, so I have no knobs or anything showing. And it rides just like a modern car going down the road, better than modern, because your hair doesn't even blow with the windows down. Wow.
And the Workman was the working class man's car. It was the
right. They use these, like, say, for like basic, before they come with a panel truck.